Ever opened your laptop, ready to conquer your goals, and then suddenly, bam! It's 4 p.m. You're 37 reels deep, Googling if squirrels have feelings, and your to-do list is now a to-forget list. In this video, we're going to break down why your brain keeps sabotaging your best plans, the 3-step fix to finally stop doom scrolling, and why guilt is not the solution, but self-awareness is. If you've ever ended the day with big dreams and zero progress, this one's for you. Step 1. Understand your brain's real job. Let's get one thing straight. Your brain isn't designed for focus. It's designed for survival. That means when it senses discomfort, stress, uncertainty, effort, it pulls the emergency lever and throws you into the land of low-effort dopamine. Hello cat videos, goodbye progress. So when a task feels overwhelming, your brain's like, nah fam, let's scroll instead. You're not broken. Your brain is doing exactly what it was built to do. Step 2. Recognize the loop. Here's the common pattern. Big dream. You make a plan. One task takes longer. You fall behind, guilt kicks in. You avoid it. You scroll to escape. You feel worse. It's not a productivity problem. It's an emotional cycle. Step 3. Break the loop with micro-win. You don't need a perfect, color-coded planner. You need a plan that survives chaos. Interruptions, low energy, unexpected calls, and dopamine cravings. That's where the 3-win system comes in. 1. One must do, your anchor task. This is your non-negotiable, even if the rest of the day explodes. But here's the nuance. If you have multiple must-dos, pick one to be your anchor. The one thing that, if done, makes you feel the day wasn't wasted. Put the rest in a secondary must-do list. They matter, but they don't clutter your clarity. 2. One should do. Progress. This isn't urgent, but it pushes something forward. It's where momentum is built. Maybe it's a small step on a long-term goal. Maybe it's replying to that one email you've been avoiding for 3 days. 3. 1. Nice to do. Bonus dopamine. This is guilt-free icing on the cake. Read 5 pages. Stretch. Organize your desk. It doesn't matter, but it does feel good. And feeling good helps you show up again tomorrow. And when you catch yourself scrolling, don't panic, don't self-blame. Just pause and ask, what's the smallest next right step I can take? It could be opening a document, it could be closing Instagram. Either way, that's a win. You're not behind, you're just human. And honestly, that's a full-time job. So if you're tired of productivity guilt and ready for gentle systems that actually work, hit subscribe. This channel is here to help you stop scrolling, start moving, and most importantly, be kind to yourself while doing it. Let's escape the loop together.